So in this video, I want to talk about Voyager. We know that Voyager has been going through some things recently because of their exposure to Three Arrows Capital. But overnight, they changed one of their policies, and this has to do with withdrawals. This is a big change, and I haven't seen it being talked about on their Twitter page. So what is this change? Let's talk about it. Now, most of you guys watching probably already know what's been happening with Voyager, but I'm going to recap real quick anyways. Voyager is not an exchange, they're a broker app. They get their liquidity from many, many sources, but one of the most enticing things about Voyager is that you get rewards simply by leaving your crypto on the platform. You don't have to stake it or anything. You leave in your wallet and you could get rewards, and the rewards are pretty good, pretty substantial too. And Steven Ehrlich, the CEO of Voyager, after the Celsius debacle, he did come out and say, well, we don't participate in DeFi. It turns out the risk was not with DeFi, but with CeFi. So basically, what happened is they loaned out a tremendous amount of crypto to a VC firm called Three Arrows Capital. In fact, it's about $666 million, more than $500 million worth of crypto, including over 15,000 Bitcoins and over 350,000 USDC. Now, because of the market downturn and because of Terra's collapse, Three Arrows Capital seems to have made some huge mistakes, and they can't repay their loans. The $666 million that Voyager is trying to collect has not been collected. They have not been able to get a dime of it. So Voyager, protecting themselves, recently went out and made a deal with Alameda Research, which is the VC arm of FTX and Sam Bankman-Fried. And they borrowed $500 million to basically cover the $666 million they lent out to Three Arrows Capital. What's interesting is this is a loan/revolving credit, and it's worth 15,000 Bitcoins, which is roughly the same amount that Three Arrows Capital has borrowed, and also $200 million worth of USDC and cash. But Three Arrows Capital actually borrowed $350 million of USDC. So probably approximately $150 million, I think, Voyager is trying to cover for themselves. Yesterday, Voyager stock tanked close to 60% because people are worried whether or not Voyager can withstand this. Even with the loan, do they still have enough funds and liquidity in case people want to take their funds out, right? There's a lot of questions. Unfortunately, today, it seems like Voyager made a major change with their withdrawals and didn't really let anyone know about it. I'm on Voyager's Twitter, and the last few tweets are all about this agreement or loan with Alameda, but I don't see anywhere posted about this new change with their withdrawals. Now, their previous withdrawal limit is about $25,000 within a 24-hour period. So I think this is adequate for most people in the space, but there are definitely a lot of people that have more than $25,000 in total on Voyager. But that $25,000 have been changed. You can see on this page, the withdrawal limits have now been decreased to $10,000, less than half of the previous $25,000. So that's a big change, and you can see this was updated 15 hours ago. Now, in addition to that, you can only have 20 withdrawals within a 24-hour period. So in conclusion, this is a big change. Voyager should be forthcoming about this. I know they want to limit their exposure, limit the bad press, but kind of secretly changing withdrawal limits, especially now, especially when people are worried about their funds, not a good look to kind of not let people know about it. But people do know about it. There's headline news that's talking about this now. Coinbase talked about it. Here's US News talking about it. Right now, it's a very fearful time. So to do this and not even, come up with a blog post or tweet it out, it doesn't look good. So hopefully Voyager does let people know about it, write something or tweet it out so people are informed, so people are not so scared. So thanks for watching. Smash the like, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any experiences with Voyager, if you have any feedback, thoughts, comments, questions, leave them in the comments below. Until tonight, take care. Bye-bye.